Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Pepe update today. So there's nothing much going on with Pepe in the past 3-4 days, and it has been a little bit quiet, sideways, and probably some distribution level phases going on right now. So you are at the weekend. This is Saturday, start of the weekend. Tomorrow's going to be Sunday, and then we have the weekly time frame. So how does the weekly reflect the future prices at the moment is the following. So you do have a green and a red next to it, so it's not that much of a great sign at the moment. And yes, one thing that is good is that you're above the 10 and the 20, and you're pretty much as long as you're just above this 10 and 20, seems pretty safe to me right there. But if you end up coming way below the 10 and the 20, that's going to be even way more worse. So November hasn't ended just yet. You are you're reaching the 20th. Tomorrow's going to be 19, today's 18, so you still have like 10-12 more days to see how November is going to behave, to set the tone for December as well. If November goes bad, you probably you're going to see December not being that good. But historically, December has been a good month for cryptocurrency in general. So what is going on in the 1 hour time frame? I do notice some few resistance lined here. If I can try to draw some of them, actually, some people believe that we're having this almost like a head and shoulder, but it doesn't really look so. I'm going to remove that line over there, this line over here, and that line as well right over there. So yeah, the plan could be to drop down here if it was to drop to the downside. So as I said before, that you do have this wick right over there at 10,200. So it does look like some stop loss might have been placed down there, and we might see stop losses being taken away and eventually try to drop down one more time to that technical target at the moment. And it hasn't changed from the time that I talked about it previously. Nothing much has changed in my opinion. RSI keeps on dropping. Still that means that people are selling, they're not really buying into it. So that's another thing to look at. And another thing is Bitcoin also doesn't look to me like it's interested to keep on continuing to move to the upside, although we may see some sideways consolidation on Bitcoin, which may also bring that sideways consolidation on Pepe as well for the time being. So I don't have too much right now, honestly, other than just waiting to see how this is going to really act. So it's just a place. I think this is just a sideways consolidation right now, and eventually if you break above the consolidation, up we go. See, this is always I've been saying, I've said this before, you break above the consolidation, you're good to go. Otherwise, come below the consolidation and you're good to go down to the demand box, which is at nearly 8,000 in the future. So that's it. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.